All right, Andy, I see that you brought me to the gloves. I'm assuming that my garden mitts or my oven mitts aren't going to work for riding. So what do I need here?
No, your oven mitts aren't going to work. Not at all.
Okay.
But we have some leather gloves, which would be beneficial for your class as well as long term. The perforated leather especially is going to be better. Get a little bit of airflow in there.
Okay.
The mesh gloves over there, they're going to be good for summertime riding, but they're not as protective. So those will be really good just in case.
Okay.
They also have gel padded palm too.
Nice. Comfortable.
So yeah, it'll be better with your grip.
Cool.
Also, right across the knuckles there, they left a little room, so when you grip it, it's not tight across your knuckles. It's a little wiggle room in there, so they won't be uncomfortable.
Perfect.
Try them on real quick.
Ooh, those are nice.
Yeah, and see how it gives right here?
Yeah.
A lot of times, some of the other ones, they're too stiff right there, so it restricts your grip a little bit.
Yeah, those are nice. Nice and light too.
And then, like I said, you're gonna get airflow all through here, down your fingers, just about anywhere you're gonna need it, because it tends to get a little hot right here, especially with the way you're gripping things. So
Cool.
they'll be helpful.
All right.